Sweet dreams are made of these. Who am I to disagree? Travel the world and the seven. Hey guys, this is Horror Collector 1995, and I just want to talk about my thoughts, about the new Texas Chainsaw movie being confirmed. This is going to be Leatherface's teen years, basically. Yeah, we do have a new Texas Chainsaw Massacre on the way. It's gonna be a prequel, and I don't know, I don't know this guy who's writing the screenplay, but yeah, it's gonna be a prequel to Tobe Hooper's 1974 Texas Chainsaw Massacre, and it's basically, we've got Millennium Films behind the prequel. Lionsgate is gonna distribute again, and they're probably gonna start production on it soon. I don't really know what to think about this. Hopefully this comes out good. Hopefully it will be a good movie. I mean, I've actually kind of wanted to see a prequel to the original for a while now. We've got a prequel to the remake. That's great. That was awesome. But now, yeah, we're gonna get a prequel to the original, and hopefully it's good. Hopefully it's enjoyable. I mean, I'm a huge fan of Leatherface. I don't know who's gonna play Leatherface in this new one. For all we know, it could just be that guy that played him in Texas Chainsaw 3D, but probably not. But it could be. Like, if it's his teen years, maybe they'll pick someone younger. I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. It would be, well, maybe it would actually make more sense than picking this guy who played Leatherface in Texas Chainsaw if it was a sequel, but this is a prequel, so yeah, they'll probably pick someone younger, cast someone younger. So yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say on that. Thanks for listening. Subscribe, stay tuned for more reviews, thoughts, videos, just general horror news, updates, whatever. Peace.